In sports, they say the best defense is a good offense. This is especially true if you're one of the 16 million Americans who suffer from diabetes. Few people realize that diabetes is responsible for 87,000 lower limb amputations each year, most of which could have been prevented with early detection. So win the fight against this dangerous disease. If you've been diagnosed with diabetes or suspect that you are at risk, see a podiatrist and check your feet daily for slow healing cuts and sores, swelling, redness, and numbness. Remember, when it comes to diabetes, it's what you don't feel that can hurt you. For more information about diabetes, call 1-800-FOOT-CARE or visit the APMA website at www.apma.org.
This message brought to you by the American Podiatric Medical Association.